Right then, let's disassemble the disc cutter and let's have a look at things. Blade and blade guard off. Side handle, drive bar off. Right. Exhaust by looks of things is looks like need to have taken an issue in that. One exhaust off. I'm back on there. So down in here. Seems like there's a bit of movement there in the crank bearings. If anyone can see that. Up and down, lateral, side by side movement. So I'd probably say it needs new crank bearings and crank seals. Piston and cylinder. No, they look absolutely fantastic condition, if I'm honest with you. Don't know if you'll be able to see in there, but no, you can't really see, so never mind. But take it from me, they look good. They look like brand new actually, but they don't seem good. Right, so let's have a look at the air filters. Get that off there, see what's going on in there. 2 wing nuts to undo. One, two, that off. One air filter off. Well, it's not that bad, I've seen worse. Put that down there. Full. One air filter off. Like I say, it doesn't look that bad. I've seen worse. Now that may be a problem. See how gunked up that all is? Probably not letting any air. That's like brick dust and accumulation of crap. So let's take it apart anyway. So we'll have a look at the carburetor. That probably needs cleaning out as well. Put it in the ultrasonic cleaner, new carb kit, new crank bearings, crank seals, air filters, fuel filters, new spark plug. Right. Let's get this off. I hope everybody can see. Goes at the back there, two oh, they've changed that with a, so inside there they shouldn't be, it should be 2 Torx, but obviously someone's been in there before me, so, and they've got to be a particular length as well, these ones have. There we are. So screwdriver. Because if these aren't the right length, they interfere with the carburetor. Right, so it's absolutely ditched in there. Absolutely filthy. This could do with a good clean. This could. This is absolutely caked in crap. Jesus. Whilst it's leaking fuel there, let's disconnect the switch. Let's take the tap, undo the cap, releases the pressure, so it's venting out of. Right, that's that undone. So everybody, what I'm probably going to go and do now is I'm going to go and give this a good clean, because by the state of it, it needs a fantastic clean to get all the crap off. And then the next stage we'll take it all apart, we'll split the cases, take the carb off, put it in the ultrasonic cleaner, and then fit new crank bearings, crank seals, and see if we can get this thing running.